This is a summary of Act 2, Scene 3, and I like to call this scene Wise Sayings. We're actually introduced to a new character. His name is Friar Lawrence, and he holds two roles in the play. He's a botanist, which basically means he uses plants and creates potions and medicines for health, and he's also a priest. So he's a holy man. He marries people. People confess their sins to him. He holds two roles in this play. So basically, this scene is all about Romeo and Friar having a conversation. And Romeo comes in, and he's so excited that he's fallen in love with somebody. And Friar knew he was really sad and heartbroken about Rosaline rejecting him. So Friar is really surprised that Romeo has moved on so quickly. So Friar warns Romeo that men's love then lies not truly in their hearts but in their eyes. And he's worried that Romeo is really just moving on just because he saw a pretty girl. Friar, though, here's Romeo's request, because Romeo really does want to marry Juliet, and he finds out and he knows that Juliet is a Capulet. And he thinks if he brings a Capulet and a Montague together, he feels that this might be the very thing that will bring an alliance and bring unity amongst these two households. So Friar reluctantly agrees on marrying Romeo and Juliet, with the hope that this alliance may so happy prove to turn their household rancor to pure love. This all takes place in Friar Lawrence's cell. This is an important scene because Friar's wisdom tries to slow down Romeo's impulsive decisions. He tries to make him think before he makes his decisions. But really, the question is, do you think it was wrong that Friar agrees to marry them so quickly? And that's a question to wrestle with as you read. I hope you enjoy Act 2, Scene 3, Wise Sayings.